So in this video I want to go over graphing functions, and there's kind of 2 points to it: being able to take the graph and answer the questions, but being able to get information and then be able to create a graph. So part A is perfect here. You see that f of 1 is 0, so you meet that point here. F of 2 is 4, so f of 2 is 4, so perfect. F of 3 is 6, so those 3 points. And then as x approaches 2 from the left, the value of the function approaches -3, and it has to be an open circle because the value of the function at 2 is 4. So you cannot have a closed circle there. And then as x approaches 2 from the right, the value of the function is 5, but then again, it has to have an open circle because the function's value at 2 is 4. And then of course you can go on anything here until infinity. The only interesting point is around this x equals 2. On B, you're really close, and what you have here is a little bit tricky because if I draw a vertical line here, well, let's just see what we got. The value of the function at -1 is 2. So at -1, the value of the function is 2. As x approaches -1 from the left, the function approaches 0. So as x approaches -1 from the left, the function approaches 0. Sorry, at -1 is 2. So -1 is 2. As it approaches it from the left, the function goes to 0. As it approaches -1 from the right, the function goes to 3. So 1, 2, 3, open circle. So now the bottom line is the value of the function at 1 equals 1. So the value of the function at 1 is 1. The value of the function as x approaches 1 from the left is also 1. So I have this open circle here, and I need to connect it to this closed circle in between -1 and 1. And then the value of the function, or the limit as x goes to 1 on the right, the function goes to 4. So then 1, 2, 3, 4. I have an open circle like you have, and then this can go off forever, and this can go off forever. So here the interesting things that are going on is around what's happening at x equals -1 and what's happening at x equals 1. So hopefully that kind of helped connect what's going on between the information about the graph and creating the graph. There's more than one answer here. There's a lot of different things you can do, but this is just one example of it. If you have any other questions, please let me know.